پیش کریں.
کتاب سادہ رہے گی کب تک، کبھی تو آغاز باب ہوگا. جنور بستیاں اجاڑ ڈالی، کبھی تو ان کا حساب ہوگا. وہ دن گئے کہ جب ہر ستم کو ادائے محبوب کہہ کے چپ تھے. اٹھے جو ہم پہ اینٹ کوئی تو اس کا پتھر جواب ہوگا. شہر کی خوشیاں بنانے والوں شہر کے تیور بتا رہے ہیں. ابھی تو اتنی گھٹن بڑھے گی کہ سانس لینا عذاب ہوگا. سکوت صحرا میں بسنے والوں ذرا رتو کا مزاج سمجھو. سکوت صحرا میں بسنے والوں ذرا رتو کا مزاج سمجھو. جو آج کا دن سکون سے گزرا تو کل کا موسم خراب ہوگا. Respected principal, honorable teacher and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Today I stand before you with a heart full of pride, gratitude and respect, because today is not another day. Today is Independence Day, the day when our nation rose in freedom. 15th August is a reminder of sacrifice. It is a reminder of struggle. It is a reminder of unity, and it is a reminder of that freedom which was never free. Our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, who are there today for our tomorrow. They dreamed a country in which every child could live with dignity, in which every voice could be heard, and the people should stand, and the nation should stand tall with self-respect. آزادی کی قیمت وہی جانتے ہیں، آزادی کی قیمت وہی جانتے ہیں جو غلامی کی تاریخی سے نکلے ہو. My dear friends, nationalism is not just waving a flag for one day. Nationalism is not just shooting slogan. Real nationalism is love with responsibility. It means respecting our country, respecting our people, respecting our constitution, and working honestly for the country's progress. In recent official Independence Day messaging, the focus has been on self-reliance, innovations, youth empowerment, digital strength, and citizen empowerment with a clear vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. That means today's nationalism is not just about fear or hatred. It is about confidence, unity and development. वतन से मोहब्बत दिल में हो, वतन से मोहब्बत दिल में हो और हाथों में खुदबत हो, यही असल कौम परस्ती है. My dear friends, the current scenario of nationalism tells us something very important. A strong nation is not built by citizens. A strong nation is built by citizens. A student who studies sincerely is serving the nation. A teacher who teaches honestly is serving the nation. A farmer who feeds the country is serving the nation. A doctor who heals the life is serving the nation. And a soldier who guards the border is serving the nation. And a responsible citizen who chooses truth over hate, unity over division, and duty over laziness is serving the nation. Today, when the world is changing fast, the nationalism means respecting our country, standing with truth in difficult times, and standing with unity when people try to divide us. قوم لفظوں سے نہیں کردار سے بنتی ہے، قوم لفظوں سے نہیں کردار سے بنتی ہے، اور وطن محبت